Hello, and welcome back to Learn English with Shakespeare, the channel where we bring the beauty of English to life, one word at a time. Today's episode is called Talk English Without Thinking. And yes, I mean it. No more overthinking, no more translating in your head, just talking, naturally, like a native speaker. Let's get into it. Now, you might be thinking, wait, how can I talk English without thinking? I need to think about grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. But here's the truth. Fluency is not about perfection, it's about flow. You don't need perfect grammar to communicate. You need confidence. You need rhythm. You need practice. Think about how children learn to speak. Do they memorize grammar rules? No. They listen, they copy, they repeat. And that's what you should do too. So let me ask you this. When you speak your native language, do you think before every sentence? Probably not. You just speak. It flows naturally. That's the goal with English. To get to a point where you speak without stopping every 2 seconds to ask yourself, is this correct? Here's a simple method I call the 3R rule to help you talk English without thinking. Repeat, react, relax. Let me explain. Number 1, repeat. If you want to speak like a native, copy the natives. Watch short scenes from TV shows or movies. Pick one sentence, just one. For example, what are you doing? Now, pause the video. Say it out loud. Say it again. Say it faster. Say it like you mean it. This is called shadowing. You repeat the sentence right after you hear it, matching the tone, rhythm, and emotion. Don't analyze, don't translate, just repeat. Number 2, react. Imagine someone asks you, "How was your day?" Don't stop to think about vocabulary, just react. "It was great." "Kind of boring." "Busy, but okay." Short answers are natural. You're not writing an essay, you're having a conversation. So react like you would in real life. Use simple expressions that come quickly to your mind. Here's a Shakespeare twist. Even the bard didn't use complicated words all the time. He often used natural, everyday English to connect with real people. That's what made his plays powerful. Number 3, relax. This is the most important step. If you're nervous, your brain blocks the words. You freeze. But when you relax, the words come freely. Here's a tip. Before you speak English, smile. Yes, just smile. It tells your brain, hey, we're not in danger. This is fun. Take a breath. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes mean you're learning. Speaking English fluently isn't about being perfect. It's about being present. It's about training your mouth, your ears, and your confidence. So from now on, promise yourself this. I will speak. I will make mistakes. And I will keep going. Because every time you speak, you're one step closer to fluency. And remember, even Shakespeare had to learn his lines. Thank you for listening to Learn English with Shakespeare. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and comment below. What English sentence do you say without thinking? Until next time, speak boldly, speak bravely, and speak English without thinking.